Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to try a new restaurant that's not in my area because I saw a movie with my mom. It was really good. So it's called Chicken Express. It's in Vallejo, California. I think I've been here one time and it kind of reminds me of El Pollo Loco. They make their chicken like El Pollo Loco. It's all fresh and cooked, and I think all they have is chicken. So they have like chicken burritos, whatever chicken, I guess. I think it's more limited than El Pollo Loco. So we have this chicken tacos, and I thought, I almost went to Jack in the Box. I was craving a chicken sandwich. You know what? On the way home, I saw a new place that I think I've been here one time, and I wanted to try different video. And so I went to a restaurant. This is my favorite tacos, crunchy tacos with sour cream. It has chicken, it has cheese. I added sour cream to it. I should have asked for extra salsa. Oh well. I think it has some salsas in it, lettuce, tomato. Try it out. Oh, that's good. Chicken's really good. It's really spiced up really well. But it's probably like a chicken place, but they have chicken tacos, chicken burritos. Oh. This is really good. Water. So today, me and my mom saw a movie called Sound of Freedom. It was pretty good. My nephew was like, "Oh my god, it's so good, it's so good," and it's actually really good. But because of him saying it's so good, it's so good, like repeatedly, in my mind, I mean, it's still very good. But I kind of wish that he didn't say it, so I just would, you know, be surprised. And my sister said it was pretty good as well. She reacted as well. It was full. Oh, there's lunch on here too. The chicken's like really shredded, but it's really like really good flavor. This one in Vallejo, if you guys are in the Bay Area, I like this a lot. I've been wanting to do a mukbang video for here. I thought about doing a video here. The sign of the place is really cute. It's good. How they wrap it like this. I don't know if I told you I got beans. I wanted something else besides chicken tacos, so I also got some beans and cheese. Yeah, but yeah, yeah. I would like some mild sauce or something. I forgot to ask for it. I haven't been to the place in like probably 5 years. But very crunchy. The chicken here is phenomenal. It's really good. Ah, it's falling apart. Me and Jaime went to this I forgot the taco place in Las Vegas. I already posted the video, so hopefully you'll see it. Like authentic Mexican taco place, which he told me in the video that when he first found out about this taco gordos, he loved it. But after eating it for so long, I guess he just got tired of it. And it's also very expensive. But also it used to be a lot cheaper too. These are my kind of tacos. Crunchy, sour cream, lettuce, sauce. I wish I had this place near me. This is so good. It needs a little more salsa though. But more on the movie, I really liked it a lot. It was very intense. I don't want to tell you too much about the movie because people don't like spoilers. I think it's better to go in unexpectedly, but it's only playing for a month or so. Hopefully by the time you see this video, I've been kind of behind in videos, you know. But a little behind in videos because I've been so busy with birthday parties and working a lot, but I'm getting there. I'm still in the process of editing my biggest vlogs or Vegas videos, but by the time you see this video, they should be uploaded. I don't know if I told you, but I got some beans and cheese. Just something a little bit different than tacos. Also, they make a burrito. It looks so freaking big. Oh my god. Here's some beans and cheese. So isn't that good? That sounded kind of good. I forgot that I think the tacos were $4. I think they were $4 because I added sour cream. I don't know, everything was like 14. Maybe it was more than 4 because I added sour cream. I don't remember what I did with the receipt, but look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh yeah. Let's try some beans and cheese. It's good. Normally I would probably want to add some like red mild sauce on here. It'd be really good. But next time I come to this place, I'll know to ask for extra sauce. So yeah, the movie was pretty good. I recommend it. Very intense, very intense. It gives a great message. Yeah, great movie. Let me know if you in the comment if you have seen it. This weekend, actually this Tuesday, my nephew's birthday party is coming up. Or his birthday's coming up, and I'm going to take him to Indiana Jones movie. And my sister didn't really recommend that much. She said, well, it's okay. She goes, the movie we saw today was much better than Indiana Jones. And she says, it's okay, but not great. But I still want to see it because I grew up with Indiana Jones. I honestly like that movie better than Star Wars. I don't know why. And actually, my nephew likes Indiana Jones better than Star Wars too. I was surprised. I thought I was a strange person. But yeah, and y'all supposed to go to fireworkers. So we'll probably, I don't know if I'll do a mukbang video because it's going to be like really loud, but I might put it in my weekly vlog. If you guys don't know, I do weekly vlogs. I'm back to my weekly vlogs now. I have another channel called Care Bear, and you can find my vlogs on that channel. The link will be in the description down below of my vlogs. Spike the beans. Down the street, there's a place called 5-Star Burger. Let me know if you guys want me to see me do a video called 5-Star Burger. I like trying these independent restaurant, cafe places where it's just not like a chain. It's kind of nice to support, you know, those type of businesses, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really good. I'm definitely gonna get the crispy chicken tacos. That was just phenomenal. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.